steady, Wayne Gibson in the zone. Madison chain where the big fish roam. Small mouth, big mouth, bass on the throne. White bass popping, catfish full grown. Lure in the water, casting chrome. Lines tight, no slack, claim the dome. Lake like a kingdom, Wayne sits alone. Real fisherman, crown carved in stone. Wayne the real king, hooks on fire. Casting out dreams, pulling up higher. Madison waves, where legends aspire. Catch of the day, Wayne's the supplier. Sunrise glint, rods gleam bright. Lake mist dancing, mornings fight. Big bass tugging, giving no slight. Wayne don't flinch, grip holds tight. Catfish deep, they testing the might. But Wayne got skill, finessing the bite. Casting precision, every move right. Madison waters, Wayne spotlight. Chain lake whispers, secrets untold. Wayne listens close, patience is gold. Tackle box wisdom, stories unfold. Hook in the mouth, tales to behold. Rods gleam bright, lake mist dancing, mornings fight. Big bass tugging, giving no slight. Wayne don't flinch, grip holds tight. Catfish deep, they testing the might. But Wayne got skill, finessing the bite. Casting precision, every move right. Madison waters, Wayne spotlight. Into a catfish, about 10 pounds. That 8-pound really went down. Wayne got a bobber and a minnow just chillin'. Hanging out on Madison chain lakes, can't explain the flame, the feeling. That big catfish tug, Wayne got a smile